Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Firebase Firestore indexes for fast queries, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your Firebase console and selecting your project. Navigate to the Firestore database section in the left sidebar. Click on the Indexes tab at the top of the screen. Here, you'll see the option to create a new index. To start creating an index, click the Create Index button. A form will appear prompting you to choose a collection to index. Select the collection that you want to configure for indexing. Next, you need to specify the fields for your index. Click on Add Field to include the first field in your index. Choose the name of the field from the drop-down menu. Then, select the sort order for this field, ascending or descending. If you need to add more fields to your index, click Add Field again. Repeat the process to add all required fields for your compound index. Once you've added all the necessary fields, review your selections for accuracy. At the bottom of the form, you can set options for the index, such as adding array support. After configuring your fields and options, click on Create to finalize the index. Firebase will now start building the index. This may take a few moments. Once the index is created, you will see it listed in the Indexes tab. If you encounter any issues, check the warnings or errors provided by Firebase. For optimal performance, ensure that you regularly review your indexes. Consider deleting any indexes that you are no longer using to optimize your Firestore database. Now you're ready to use your newly configured index for faster queries. Test your queries to confirm they perform as expected with the new index in place. Make adjustments to your indexing strategy as your application evolves. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.